It's Ladybug MUA, and I'm coming with another tutorial on how I do my makeup. I am not a professional, but this is just how I do it. I'm going to go in first with the PUR Festival eyeshadow palette in the color Hidden Desert. Next, I'll be going in with the Nyx Eyeshadow Base in white. Now I'm just using some regular aloe makeup wipes to clean up my eyes a bit. Now I'm going in with the Stargazer Pigment Palette from Colourspell in the pretty blue shade. Now I'm going in with the Nightingale Eyeshadow Palette by Pretty Vulgar in the color All Nighter. Alright guys, so my camera did not record the makeup foundation part of the video, but I do apply foundation in this video. It's the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 330. Now I'm just using a round fluffy brush to smooth out the edges and harsh lines. Going back in with that Hidden Desert color. Now I'm just using a spoolie to brush up my hairs on my eyebrows. Now I'll be going in with the Nika eyebrow duo in black with the eyebrow pencil part, not the mascara. Now I'm going in with the WetnWild Megaliner Liquid eyeliner in black. Now I'm using an off-brand fiber eyelash mascara extension. Next I'm going in to highlight with LA Colors Truly Matte in Warm Honey. Next, I'm using a pointed, fluffy brush to blend out the highlights. Now I'm using my beauty blender to blend out the highlights. Always make sure your beauty blender is damp. It'll help blend easily. And now I'm about to go in with the Fana Luxury Powder in the shade number 4 on all the places that I've highlighted. Now I'm just using a round fluffy brush to dust away the excess powder. And now I'm going back in with that rounded pointy brush. Dusting away again. Now I'm going in with the brown shade from the She-Wolf Fantasy Makers by WetnWild Painters palette. I'm using a tapered fluffy brush. And now I'm just blending that out with the 2 brown powders from PUR Cosmetics Sculptor Contour and Highlight Palette. Adding a little under my lip and above my cupid's bow to define and make my lips look more fuller. Now I'm highlighting my nose again, just to give it a little more depth and a more prominent shape. Now I'm going over my black eyeliner with a black magnetic eyeliner. There's no real name to it, but it's eyelashes and liner in a kit. I'll put everything down in the description box below. Now I'm just using my spoolie to separate my eyelashes. And now it's time for the lashes. I'll be using the middle pair. Lashes, I'm gonna admit, are my weak spot. I have so much trouble with putting on lashes, but the magnetic lashes were so easy to put on. I'm definitely going to be wearing lashes more often. If you have trouble with lashes, with the glue, with the tweezers, whatever, try magnetics. They are awesome. Now I'm just making the lashes a little darker and giving them a little more depth using the LA Colors X Volume Mascara in black. And now it's time for my favorite part, the highlighter. I'll be going in with the Catwalk Pink palette from WetnWild Mega Glow Illuminating Palette in the color Rose Gold. It's not really labeled as Rose Gold, but there's 4 shades in the palette, and that's just what it looks like to me. I'm using a rounded fluffy brush to dull out the highlight just a bit, and a small angled fluffy brush to get under my brows. My cupid's bow, and the inner corner of my eyelids. Now I'm underlining my eyes with LA Colors eyeliner pencil in black. I'm going back in with that pretty blue shade from earlier to give my bottom lids a pop. Now I'm using LA Colors eyeliner pencil in brown to outline my lips. And I'm going in with the LA Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in Suede. Now I'm using Ofra Liquid Matte Lipstick in Verona. I used the Nika K Perfection Setting Spray in matte to set my face. Alright guys, this is the finished look. If you like what you saw, then show me by hitting the like button, leaving some comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you to current and future fans.